Salam to all, this is FBA Fadime Banu Akbez. Let's get to my exclusive weekly technical analysis in order of dollar Turkish lira, euro dollar, gold, Bitcoin, and Ether. Last week, the dollar against Turkish lira made doji. If you don't know what a doji formation is, please check the end of this video. Was it making a signal of the start of a correction that we were mentioning about by that doji? This week, if it trades below 25.56, 25.40 range, it shall break 23.34, 23.30 area and then try 22.54 support. Here, it can decide if it's enough as for a correction or needs to visit the buyers at 21.59 level. Otherwise, it may rally to our 26.97 target. Will the correction be short? Last week, the euro against the dollar increased and made high at 1.0971 when we were expecting it to try 1.0904, 1.0936 resistance. This week, if it's above 1.09, it might try 1.0930, 1.0941 range. Here, a quick spike down may happen until 1.0881, 1.0834 area, and then head back to try staying above 1.10 level on its way to our 1.2011 target. Otherwise, it may rally to 1.1095 resistance. Will it rally? Last week, the gold increased, couldn't break 1,980 and closed with loss. This week, as long as it's above 1,950, 1,956 area, it shall break 1,977, 1,981 range, and then try 1,990, 1,998 area on its way to our 2,535 target. The support is at 1,938, 1,930 range. Last week it declined, yet it didn't close outside the narrowing triangle. Is it a sign of the direction? If you don't know what a narrowing triangle pattern is, please check the end of this video. Last week, we were expecting the Bitcoin to spike up from 24,820, 24,240 area, and its low was at 24,735, which it turned back up. This week, if it stays below 26,500, 26,000 range, it shall break 25,770, 25,210 area, and then try 24,500, 23,800 range. The resistance is at 27,336. Will the lower side of the narrowing triangle pattern be enough to support it to turn the direction? If you don't know what a narrowing triangle pattern is, please check the end of this video. Last week, we were expecting the Ether to spike up from 1,686, 1,664 range, and its low was at 1,619, where it turned back up. This week, if it's below 1,726, 1,708 area, it may break 1,670, 1,610 range, and then try 1,604, 1,546 support. The resistance is at 1,780 level. Where will it say enough to turn the direction? Thanks for watching. I need your support to reach more people, and you can do this just by subscribing. I set the reminder for the upcoming. You can support me this way totally for free. And the clarification of some basic terms I use on my videos are on my Instagram highlights, named as terms, so keep up with them. Finally, I'd like to remind you the devastating 2 earthquakes in Türkiye. They were just in 9 hours, and both of them were over 7.5 magnitude. Please continue donating and praying for Türkiye. You can find the link of my video that has brief information and how you can donate on below description. Thanks in advance. Bye.